Welcome guys, today I'm the Jabra Elite 45H and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your iPhone. So before the pairing, you have to remember to charge the headset at least to the 50%. Another step will be link with this slider right here. We can call it the power on and the pairing button. So we have to push this button to the Bluetooth button, the Bluetooth icon, until this indicator starts blinking on the blue. So let's make it right now. Push it, hold, and right now we can release to the middle position. Don't put it right here because you will turn off the headset. Another step, go for the settings, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher and select Jabra Elite 45H. As you can see right now we are connected, but another step will be about pairing the application. So go for the App Store and tap on the search pool and type Jabra and tap on the search. That's the Jabra Sound Plus application. You have to tap right here to download. Okay, and as you can see the download is finished, so we can simply open the app. Now just be patient and wait until the simple instruction pops on the screen. And there it is. As you can see, we have to accept all of the permission that pops. Accept to this pairing request. Okay, here we can skip this quick guide, accept another permission, as you can see right now we got this headset connected with more features. For example, that's the gear icon where we can find the firmware, we can adjust some kind of the music presets. Of course they are linked also with the equalizer. But yeah, that's how we can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.